Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a lipstick collection video for you guys. I'm going to be sharing my favorite spring lipsticks. So during the springtime, I love wearing like peachy nude colors. I love wearing mauves and I love wearing like light pink peachy shades. So I pretty much went through my collection and I compiled all of the lipsticks that I typically gravitate towards during the springtime and decided to share this with you guys. So majority of the lipsticks that I'm going to be sharing today are matte lipsticks because, as you guys know, I love matte lipsticks. That's like my preferred finish when it comes to my lips, but sometimes I also like to wear glosses. So I do have some spring glosses to share with you guys as well that I love. So if you guys are interested in knowing what I like to wear during the springtime, and if you guys are looking for some inspiration on some spring lipsticks, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so to start, I want to share my favorite pink lipsticks with you guys for the springtime. Like I mentioned in the intro, I love wearing pink lipsticks in the springtime. I love wearing peachy pinks, pinky nude shades. So the very first shade that I want to share with you guys is the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade Interview. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this on the lips. Alright you guys, so this is Interview applied. You can see it's a beautiful like peachy pinky nude color. It's so perfect for the springtime and it's a matte finish, and I'm obsessed with Huda's formula for the Power Bullet matte lipsticks. They're just so lightweight and so comfortable and creamy, so I absolutely love this lipstick. So my second favorite pink lipstick for the springtime is a MAC lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. So I did feature this in another lipstick collection video. I did a collection video on my favorite neutral matte lipsticks from MAC. So if you're interested in checking out that video, I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description. But I love this lipstick for the springtime, you guys. It's a beautiful like pinky beige color. It's absolutely perfect for the spring, and of course I love MAC's formula. If you guys have tried MAC lipsticks, you know they have an amazing formula. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on the lips just so you guys can see how it looks. Alright you guys, so this is Velvet Teddy applied. You can see it's a beautiful beige pinky toned color. So perfect for the springtime. I'm obsessed. It's such a cute color. And the third pink lipstick that I absolutely love for the springtime, and this is more on the affordable end, is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. Alright you guys, so this is Stockholm applied. You guys can see it's a beautiful like pinky nude shade. It's definitely a bright pink. I think it's absolutely beautiful and it's so perfect for the springtime. So I love this, and I love that it is affordable as well. So that is the third pink lipstick. Now what I'm going to do is just swatch the three on my hand in order from left to right, just so you guys can compare the shades. It will help you kind of figure out what shade you might like more than the other, and just to kind of get a comparison overall. So I'm going to quickly do that and then I'll show you guys. Alright you guys, so here's a swatch of the three colors. So here we have the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick. This is the MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy, and here is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. So you can see they are all a little bit different. They go from darkest to lightest, but they're all beautiful pink shades for the springtime. So next I want to share my favorite Peachy Nudes with you guys that I absolutely love for the springtime. So the very first shade that I want to share with you guys is the MAC Matte Lipstick in the shade Yash. This is like a beautiful peachy nude color, absolutely perfect for the springtime. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this on. So this is Yash applied, you guys. You can see such a beautiful nude, but it's got like a peachy undertone to it. So I'm super obsessed with this for the springtime. You can wear it just like this, or you can also kind of line your lips with like a darker lip liner if you want a little bit more of like an ombre effect. That's typically how I like to wear this lipstick, but I'm just trying them on by themselves just so you guys can really get an idea of what the shade looks like. And of course, once I show you guys the two other peachy nudes that I love, I will swatch all three of them on my hand so you guys can kind of get a better idea of the tone in that sense as well. So yeah, this is the first shade, you guys. I am obsessed. So the second nude lipstick that I absolutely love for the springtime is the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Nude Kate. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on. So this is Nude Kate applied. You guys can see it's a beautiful like light peach nude against my skin tone, and this lipstick actually isn't a matte finish. It's definitely more of like a cream finish, I would say, and I really like that for the springtime as well. It does have like a little bit of a shine to it. So with this lipstick as well, I typically like to line my lips with like a darker lip liner just to get like a nice ombre look, but this is what it looks like on its own, and you can see it is so beautiful and so perfect for spring. And the third peachy nude lipstick that I absolutely love for the springtime is the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pop this on the lips. So this is Honey applied. I absolutely love this lipstick, especially the formula. As you guys know, in previous videos, I told you guys that my absolute favorite ride or die lipstick is the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Staunch. So this is the exact same lipstick, it's just a different shade. This is in the shade Honey, and I would describe this tone as like a muted peach toned nude. So again, it's perfect for the springtime if you're someone who doesn't want something super peachy. This is more on like the muted side, so you'll definitely like this lipstick. And again, I love the matte formula of these lipsticks. So yeah, this is the third and last kind of peachy toned nude lipstick that I love for spring. So again, now I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch the three from left to right in order on my hand so you guys can see a comparison of the three. Okay guys, so here's a swatch of the three lipsticks. So here we have MAC Yash, here we have the Charlotte Tilbury Nude Kate, and here we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in Honey. So you can see this one is definitely more on the pinky peachy side. This is more on like the nude peachy side. It's definitely very bright, and this one is definitely more on the muted peach side. So here is a comparison of the three. I think they're all beautiful peachy nudes for the springtime. So next I want to share my favorite mauve shades with you guys for the springtime. So I have two shades to share with you guys. They are both liquid lipsticks. So the first one is the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Queen Bee. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this on the lips. So this is Queen Bee applied, you guys. You can see it's a beautiful like soft mauve color. I'm absolutely in love with this. I feel like it's such a perfect shade for the springtime. It's also kind of has like purple tones to it, I feel like, especially against my skin tone. Like I love wearing this lipstick with like a light purple hijab that kind of is similar to this shade, and it looks so beautiful. So I feel like this mauvey purpley light shade is just perfect for spring, and I am obsessed. So the second mauve lipstick shade that I absolutely love for the springtime is the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Caramello. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on. So this is Caramello applied. You guys can see it's definitely a much lighter mauve shade against my skin tone. It can also be classified as like a mauve nude. So I absolutely love this, and it's definitely got like cool undertones to it as well. So yeah, I just think it's a lovely and perfect for spring. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch these two on my hand from left to right in order, just so you guys can see a comparison of the two. So here are the two shades swatched, you guys. Here we have Queen Bee by Too Faced, and here we have Caramello by Stila. You guys can see they're both beautiful mauve tones. One is definitely a lot darker than the other. One is a lot lighter, but nonetheless, they're both so beautiful and so perfect for spring. So lastly, I have 3 lip glosses to share with you guys. So the very first one is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Amber. So this is a drugstore option if you guys are interested in looking for an affordable spring lip gloss. This is a great option. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on. So this is Amber applied. You guys can see it's a gorgeous like peachy toned color, definitely perfect for the springtime. So I love this because it's formulated with hyaluronic acid, so it's definitely very moisturizing for the lips, which is great. So typically I will wear this with either a lip liner, and I'll also fill in my lips with the lip liner, or I'll go ahead in with a lipstick underneath, just because you can see the top of my lips. The top lip is definitely a little bit more discolored, so you can see that through the gloss. So sometimes if I want a little bit more coverage on my lips, I will do that. But other than that, you can see it is a beautiful gloss, so perfect for spring. So the next gloss that I want to share with you guys is the Fenty Beauty Cream Gloss in the shade Mauve Wives. So this is definitely a perfect mauve gloss for the springtime. As you guys know, I love my mauves. I did share some favorite mauve lipsticks with you guys today, so I love this for a nice mauve gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on. So this is Mauve Wives applied, you guys. You can see that you don't really see the discoloration of my lips with this specific gloss. So that's what I love about the Fenty cream glosses. They're definitely good full coverage. Like, you don't see my discolored lips at all. So I never have to go in with a lipstick underneath. I can just directly use this gloss. And typically I'll use it with just some lip liner, and that's pretty much it. So I did actually do a review on this gloss as well as the 4 other shades that Fenty came out with. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, if you guys want to see what the other shades look like and what my thoughts are on the other shades, I will have that video linked up here and also down below in the description for you guys to check out. And the third and final gloss that I have to share with you guys is another Fenty Beauty Cream Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Honey Waffles. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on the lips. So this is Honey Waffles applied, you guys. I absolutely love this gloss for spring because I feel like it's a peach toned gloss, but it's got a more toned down tone to it. It definitely has like brown tones in it. I feel like it's unique, which is why I really like it. And also I love the formula of this gloss because, again, it's got that full coverage formula, which I absolutely love. So if you guys are interested in seeing this gloss used for a spring makeup look, I did do a video. I'll have that linked up here and also down below in the description. It's like a peach toned makeup look, and I used this lip gloss and it looked so beautiful. So if you guys want, make sure you guys check that out. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's spring lipstick collection video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below and let me know what is your favorite spring lipstick, or what are your favorite spring lipsticks in general. I would love to to know. I'm always down to try new lipsticks, so I would love to get some recommendations from you guys. Also, comment down below and let me know if you already use some of the products that I mentioned today, and do you like them or do you not like them? I would love to have a chat in the comments. And of course, all the lipsticks that I tried on and featured today in today's video will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.